Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Arctic Zone insulated lunchbox. Okay, well this is actually my old lunchbox. Right now my son is using this one to go to kindergarten. Yeah, and there's a reason why I'm not using it anymore. I actually got a different one. Let me tell you some of the features that it has. Okay, first, I've seen this in different colors. I've seen a red one. I've seen a gray and black one. I believe I also saw a white one. I'm not sure, but I think so. But it has a nice little pouch right here to carry stuff in. Yeah, pretty deep for extra storage. And a carrying spot here. It's pretty tall also. And it has two different ways from the top to put stuff. To seal it. If you have a lot of stuff in here, all the way up to the top, you can have it squared off like this and use this zipper here and zip it all the way around, right? But say you have like only a little bit of stuff in there. You can take this Velcro thing here and attach it to this one here and just Velcro it shut, so you'll carry it kind of like how it is when you do a paper bag or something, if you just have a brown paper bag for your lunch, like that, yeah. So, and the Velcro, comes loose very simply. Yeah. It's a nice little bag. It has a handle here, and inside is insulated. And that means it is going to keep whatever you're putting in there very cold or very warm. It just holds the temperature for a pretty long time. And I know most bags like these and different brands and all that do this now, and it's very good and it works very well. These insulated bags. The reason why I needed to get a different bag, I had this one for probably close to 2.5 years is when I got it, but I haven't been using it because I had to get another one because I am big on TV dinners, and for my TV dinners I take TV dinners to work, and this bottom part here is just too narrow, too small for the size of the TV dinner that, like, say I want to put inside and have it at the bottom. I know you might be able to jam it in there from the side like that and have it standing up, but I didn't like that. I'd rather have this bottom part wider and the actual bag itself a little shorter, because I don't want to put something at the very bottom and have a bunch of stuff stacked on top of it and have to dig through to get whatever is at the bottom. I don't like that. That's just not my preference. I would rather have it, like I said, wider, have stuff on the top, but not too much, So I preferred to get a bag like that, and I did. But for my son's sake, just his sandwich and small little Tupperwares and maybe a drink and some chips or something like that, his lunch is much smaller than mine. So it's going to be much easier for him to deal with the issues with this bag. But it's fine. For him it's great. Kids should be able to use this no problem. Right. Another great thing about this bag is the material inside is super, super cleanable. It is really easy to clean. So if you one day spill something in there and you need to get it out, no problem. I remember once I spilled soup in there, and look at it. There's no trace of it. It's really, it came out really easy. It's something about the material. Really easy to clean, and that is really great. I really liked that, probably most of all, because cleaning your lunch bag is always been an issue, especially for me, because I'm not that tidy. But yeah, I liked it a lot. I really did. And I think it's a good buy. All right. Well, this is the Arctic Zone insulated lunchbox. And I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.